Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are having a great week so far. So in this video, we're going to be going over all of the good deals that are going on at Dollar General this week, and we have an updated glitch list. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So before we get started, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time. So when you are in the store, you want to make sure that you scan each item in the app under the list feature to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to do that so that you can price check because prices do vary from store to store. Alright guys, so for these first couple of deals, you don't need any coupons whatsoever. So first up, we've got Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, Sunkist, A&W 7-Up, and RC Cola 12 packs. They are on sale this week, 3 for $11. And we also have the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 6 packs. They are on sale this week, 4 for $10. And we also have Fanta Mellow Yellow or the Barks Root Beer. They are on sale this week, 3 for $3, making those just $1 each. Alright, so next up we have the Renewed Cones. They are on sale this week. Buy 3 and get 1 for free. That means you'll pay $3 for 4. Now, I know that we have an insert coupon for buy 4 and get 2 for free on the Renewed Cones. I'm pretty sure that came out of the May 23rd save insert. Now, we also have an insert coupon from the 5/23 save insert. It is a buy 4, get 2 for free on the Renewed Cones. Now, I have seen that the sale and the coupon are working together. However, I haven't had time to try the deal out myself. So if anybody has the details on that, how many you need to purchase, and what your subtotal will be after the coupon and the sale price are applied, please let me know down in the comment section below. I really appreciate it when you guys pass along that information on deals that you guys have tried out. Basically, every free second that I get this week is going to be working on the Dollar General clearance event video. Now, I have already been in the store twice, and I'm going to make one more trip today, and then I should be done. But I did get a list. I do have pictures. We've got screenshots. We've got coupon matchups. So we have a lot of great information. All I have to do is put it all together in a nice, neat, little organized video for you guys. And hopefully that will be out either Wednesday night or Thursday morning, so be on the lookout for that. But like I said, I am a one-woman show, so any deals that you guys want to share, feel free to down in the comment section, because the more information that we can kind of pass along and share with each other, the better off we all are. So if you guys want to share deals, please do. It is so appreciated. Alright guys, so back into these good deals. If you pick up one of the Gerber Good Start formulas for $18.80, you will get 5 of the Gerber Natural Food Jars for free. So that means you'll pay $18.80 for all 6. And next up, here's a pretty good deal on some Purina dog food. So if you want to pick up the 13.5 to 14 pound bags, they are priced at $9.50. And you'll get one of the 4 pound bags, which is valued at $4.65 for free. So that means you'll pay $9.50 for both bags. And we also have a deal on gift cards this week, so you'll instantly save 6 when you buy any 2 of the participating gift cards that you see here on the screen. And don't forget, Father's Day is right around the corner. Alright, so next up we have some coupon matchups. So the General Mills Post, Kellogg's, Captain Crunch, or Life cereals are on sale this week, 3 for $6. We have this 1 off 3 DG store coupon, so that means that you'll pay just $5 for all 3 boxes. Now, if you want to make 2 of those boxes General Mills cereals, so for instance, if you want to pick up 2 General Mills cereals and a Captain Crunch, you can do this deal right here. So you can use the 1 off 2 General Mills manufacturer coupon and that 1 off 3 DG store coupon. That means that you'll pay $4 for 3 boxes. Now, you can do the same thing with Kellogg's cereal. So if you want to make 2 of the boxes that you pick up Kellogg's cereal, so you can pick up 3 Kellogg's cereal or 2 Kellogg's cereal and a Captain Crunch, and you use the 1 off 2 Kellogg's cereal manufacturer coupon and the 1 off 3 DG store coupon, that'll leave you paying $4 for 3 boxes. And don't forget, when you do type in your phone number at the register, that total will be applied to your DG rewards as long as you have that activated on your account. So double check that. You will earn $3 towards your next purchase when you spend $15 or more on cereal, and that does accumulate over time. So if you purchase cereal this week and last week, both of those totals should add up toward that $15. Alright, and next up we have the Fabuloso All-Purpose Cleaners. These are priced at $2.85. We do have a one-off one digital coupon, making those just $1.85. And next up we have the Arm & Hammer Laundry Detergent, the Scent Shakes or the Dryer Sheets. They are priced at $3. We have a one-off one digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $2. And next up, here's an update from the last video. So we have this one-off one Tide Simply digital coupon. Now this is working on the larger jugs of Tide Simply laundry detergent. They are priced at $8.95. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying just $7.95. And we also have this 2-off-1 Gain coupon. So this is working on the Gain products that are priced at $6.95. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $4.95. And next up, we have the Purex Liquid Laundry Detergent Mountain Breeze 75 ounce. These are priced at $4.50. We have a $2.50 off one digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $2. Next up, we have a one-off one for the 12 family rolls of Cottonelle bath tissue. So these are priced at $5, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying just $4. And next up, we have a $1.50 off one for the Finish dishwasher packet. So if you want to pick up the 28 Finish Powerball Max in 1, those are priced at $6.50. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying just $5. And next up, we have one-off one for the Resolve Pet products. So if you want to pick up the Resolve Pet Carpet Spot and Stain Remover, those are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying just $3.50. And next up, we have one-off one for the Palmolive dish sprays. So these are priced at $4, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying just $3. And next up, we have a $1.50 off two for the Rubbermaids. So if you want to pick up the Rubbermaid Take-Along 4-pack, those are priced at $2.50 each. So if you pick up two, that's going to put you at $5. After the coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $3.50 for two. Next up, we have the 25-count Dulcolax. So those are priced at $5.75. We do have a 3-off-1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $2.75. And next up, we have the 24-count Excedrins. These are priced at $4.25. We do have a $1.50-off-1 digital coupon, and that will leave you paying $2.75. Next up, we have the NextCare Waterproof Bandages 20-count. Those are priced at $2.50. We have a one-off-1 digital coupon that is working with this, making these just $1.50. Alright, next up we have the Icy Hot Pain Relieving Cream. This is the 1.25 ounces. These are priced at $3.50. We have a one-off-1 digital coupon that'll leave you paying just $2.50. And we also have the DG Health Naproxen. This is the 24-count. These are priced at $2.50. We have a one-off-1 digital coupon, making those just $1.50. And next up, we have the Biotene mouthwash. These are the 8-ounce bottles. These are priced at $3.75. We have a $2.50 off one digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $1.25. And we also have this deal on the Act mouthwash. So these are priced at $4.50. We have a $1.50 off one digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $2.50. And next up, we have a really good deal on the Right Guard Sport Deodorant, 3 ounces. These are priced at $2.50, so after this one-off-one digital coupon, that'll leave you paying $1.50. Now, this one-off-one Right Guard digital coupon is also working on the Right Guard Deodorant 2.6 ounces. Those are priced at $2.25, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $1.25. Next up, we have the Poise pads or liners. They are priced at $5 each. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $3. Next up, we have the Schick Intuition razors. These are priced at $7.50. We have a 4-off-1 digital coupon, and that will leave you paying just $3.50. Next up, if you want to pick up the Dial 12-ounce body washes, those are priced at $2.75. We have a one-off-1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $1.75. And moving on along here, we have the Maybelline Fast Gel Nail Polish. Those are priced at $2.50. We have a 50-cent off one digital coupon, and that will leave you paying just $2. And I also wanted to mention we do have an instant savings of when you spend $8 on Dove, Axe, and Tresemme products, you'll instantly save $2 at the register. And we do have digital coupons for Dove and Tresemme products, and we also have insert coupons as well. So please keep that in mind when you are planning out your deals. And we also have an instant savings of spend $12 and you'll save $2 instantly on Maxwell House products. And there was some Maxwell House products included in this clearance event, so that could come in handy. And this was also in the ad this week, so you'll get one free Clover Valley non-dairy creamer, 10 ounces, that's up to $1 in value, when you spend $10 on the Folgers cans or instant coffee. So keep that deal in mind if you're planning on picking up any of the Folgers coffee. And also, don't forget to type in your phone number when you purchase any coffee products, because we do have DG Rewards where you will earn $5 towards your next purchase of 501 or more when you spend $25 on participating brands of coffee. And that does include instant, ground coffee, or the K-Cups. And like I said, there are some K-Cups that are included in this clearance event. Alright guys, so now we're going to update our glitch list here. So we still have this Hershey's glitch. We have this digital coupon for $1 off when you purchase any Breyers ice cream and Hershey's syrup. If you pick up 2 of the Hershey's syrups, that's going to put you at $4.70. After this $1 coupon works with that, that is going to put you at $3.70 for 2. Next up, we have the Big Simply Soleil razors. They are $3.30. We did receive a new 3-off-1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just 30 cents. Now, if you still have the coupon from last week, both of those coupons are glitching, so you can pick up 2 of the Big Simply Soleil razors at $6.60. After both of those 3-off-1 digital coupons are applied, that will leave you paying just 60 cents for 2. Next up, we have the Herbal Essences Dry Shampoo Travel Sizes. Those are priced at $2 each. We have a 2-off-2 digital coupon, so after that's applied, that'll leave you paying $2 for 2 or $1 each. Next up, we have the Old Spice Men's Fiji Deodorant. If you pick up 3 of those, that's going to put you at $11.25. We do have a 5-off-3 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying $6.25 for 3 or $2.08 each. And next up, we have the Pantene shampoos or conditioners. This is the travel size. If you pick up 3 of those, that's going to put you at $4.50. We have a 4-off-3 digital coupon that is glitching with this, making these just 50 cents for all 3 or 16 cents each. Next up, we have the Febreze car clips, the 1 count. These are priced at $3. We have the 1-off-1 digital coupon that's still glitching with these, leaving you paying just $2. Next up, we have the Airwick Scented Oil Warmers. These are priced at $1.65. We have this 150-off-1 digital coupon that is glitching with this, leaving you paying just 15 cents. Alright guys, so moving on along, we have the Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray, the 4.2 ounces. These are priced at $2.95. We have this 2-off-1 digital coupon that is glitching, making these just 95 cents. And the 2-off-1 is working on the Tresemme hair masks. These are priced at $2, so after the coupon, that'll make it completely free. Now, you can either pick up the Keratin Smooth hair mask, or this one is a Repair and Protect hair mask. They are both priced at $2, so you guessed it, it is completely free. Or if you can find the Tresemme hairspray in the travel size section, it is the 1.5 ounces. Those are priced at $1.95. So after the coupon, that'll be completely free, plus give you 5 cents in overage. And last but not least, we have the BioFreeze 1 count large patch. Those are priced at $1.75. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon that is glitching, making that completely free, plus 25 cents in overage. Now, I also wanted to mention that Purple Dot Home is 50% off right now. So if there's anything that you really want that you cannot live without, I would go ahead and pick it up, because this weekend during the clearance event, it's going to be an additional 50% off. So if something is 50 cents right now, it's going to be 25 cents this weekend. And I have a feeling the Purple Dot Home stuff is going to go pretty fast. I know my shelves at one of the stores is already wiped clean of the Purple Dot Home. So if you have anything that you really want, you may want to go ahead and pick it up at 50% off. Now, like I said, every free second that I get this week is going to be working on clearance event information. I have a ton of pictures saved in my phone. I have information in my head. I've got stuff written down in notebooks, coupon matchups, all kinds of good stuff. So I'm going to kind of get organized today and start putting those screenshots and stuff together for y'all. Now, if you want a head start, and who doesn't need a head start? We all need a head start. Most of us have jobs, we have kids, we have 9-to-5s, we've got husbands, we've got all kinds of stuff going on. So we all need a head start, right? So if you want to do some homework before I put out my next video, I'm going to link the Dollar General Clearance Event playlist in the pinned comment down below. So all you have to do is scroll down from this video, click on that link, and it's going to take you to that playlist. That's going to pull up all of my previous Dollar General Clearance Event videos. That does include the information, the hauls, all of that good stuff. So go and click on that and start watching those videos, because there's a lot of really good information, especially if you are new to Dollar General Clearance Events, that you need to know. As far as how do you come up with the price? How, will it scan in the store? What do we do if it doesn't scan in the store? What if they're taking it off at the register? What if my store is 50% off versus 70% off, or however it may be? Go back and watch those videos, and a lot of your questions will be answered. Now, pay special attention, because here's how you get ahead. Here's the secret. Okay, go back and watch my February clearance event videos, because that was when we had our last clearance event. A lot of those items are going to be included in this clearance event. A lot of those items are still priced correctly. The coupon matchups, of course, those coupons have expired, but we do have new coupons that are the same value. For instance, the CoverGirl coupons, those are always the same value. So a lot of those screenshots and a lot of things in those lists that I have in those videos will still apply to this clearance event, okay? Because they still haven't gotten rid of all of that stuff. So go back, watch the February clearance event videos especially. Those are important. So go back and check that out. Like I said, I will link that in a pinned comment down below. That'll help you kind of get your list going, kind of get your head wrapped around it, get your coupons ready, whether that's printable coupons, insert coupons, or digital coupons. That'll kind of give you a little bit of a head start. Alright guys, that's it for me for now. I hope you have a great day today. Now before you go, please make sure that you are subscribed. YouTube has had some glitches here and there, so make sure you're subscribed. Turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, please give this video a thumbs up. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also, take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, again, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.